Energy. It fuels our bodies, minds, and spirits. It determines our capacity to love, work, and thrive. Yet how often do we consciously connect with this life force that flows within? Our ancestors understood the importance of cultivating vital energy. They lived in harmony with nature, their rhythms attuned to the Earth's pulse. Modern life, however, bombards us with stressors that deplete our energy reserves. We are constantly on, bombarded by information, and disconnected from the natural world. This constant drain leaves us feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and out of sync with our true potential. We search for solutions in energy drinks, quick fixes, and external stimulants, only to find temporary relief. But what if the key to unlocking boundless energy lies within us, dormant, waiting to be awakened? What if ancient wisdom holds the secret to reclaiming our vitality? The ancients knew that energy flows through channels within our bodies, often referred to as meridians or nadis. They developed practices to harmonize these energy flows, optimizing health and well-being. One such practice, simple yet profound, takes only 90 seconds and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. It's time to reclaim your birthright to vibrant energy. This 90-second technique combines the power of breathwork, mindful intention, and energy activation. By consistently practicing this technique, you can reset your energy, boost vitality, and enhance your overall well-being. Here's how it works. Step 1. Grounding, 15 seconds. Find a quiet space. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, firmly planted on the ground. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, feeling your connection to the earth. Step 2. Breath activation, 30 seconds. Inhale deeply through your nose, expanding your abdomen. As you exhale through your mouth, visualize releasing any stagnant or negative energy. Repeat this breath cycle for 30 seconds, feeling your energy begin to shift. Step 3. Energizing hand placement, 30 seconds. Bring your hands together in front of your chest, palms facing each other. Gently rub your palms together, generating warmth and energy. Feel the energy pulsating between your hands. Step 4. Affirmation, 15 seconds. Continue rubbing your palms and mentally repeat a positive affirmation that resonates with you. For example, I am filled with vibrant energy and vitality. Step 5. Grounding, 15 seconds. Stop rubbing your palms and bring them to rest on your lower abdomen. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the energy integrate into your body. Visualize yourself grounded, centered, and energized. This simple yet powerful technique, practiced daily, can have a profound impact on your energy levels. You may experience increased focus, reduced stress, and a renewed sense of vitality. The key is consistency. Just like any muscle, your energy system strengthens with regular practice. By dedicating just 90 seconds each day, you can unlock the ancient secrets of energy mastery and experience the transformative power within.